Alright guys, today is going to be an interesting video. What a great morning, with the exception of one little thing. I am here at, sorry for making you dizzy, I am here at Caliber Collision, and what do you come to a collision place for? Well, exactly right. I hit a deer with my F-150, and yeah, it is a sad day. So I'm going to show you that little video from the side of the road right now that I recorded. It may be a little bit loud, so I apologize about that, but I don't have all my microphone and everything like that on handy because you don't plan on hitting a deer every day. Anyways, I'm going to show you that, and I'll come right back and I'll show you some footage of the truck. So guys, I'm in the middle of doing this 100% to 0% test, and I ended up hitting a deer. Isn't that crazy? You can look on the dash cam footage here. I'll go ahead and show you that. But yeah, that deer's right there on I-25. It's kind of loud out here. I don't know if you can hear me, but check this out. Look at what happened. This thing just, as soon as I hit it, it crapped all over my tire. But that's not the biggest deal. Yeah, look at all this damage. And the light, front bumper, all the way down here. And it even cracked. It even cracked my front plate there. Or I don't even know if you could call that a grill. But yeah, that deer is dead. Yeah, I feel bad for that deer. He jumped right out. He jumped right out in front of my car, man. I feel bad for him. Let me go ahead and get inside here. Yeah, it's kind of crazy times, but anyways. So there she is getting up there. Tow truck. All right guys, back here at Caliber Collision. Yeah, it's pretty crazy hitting the deer on the highway. It was on the interstate. It was pretty crazy. Anyways, so now they're actually getting it fixed up, but it got me thinking about it. A lot of people have some misconceptions about EVs and getting them fixed. People think that they basically, you know, have to cost a lot, or they just get totaled or whatever. Actually, this place here said that there's special locations that do work on EVs, so that is confirmed. But they did say that they work on them here as long as there's no structural damage. But there's a lot of questions that also people may have. How does insurance handle it? All that kind of stuff. Well, so far they're doing really, really good. But today I'm going to go now and get my rental vehicle, and we'll see how that goes. So let's go over to Enterprise and check that out. But hope you're enjoying the little update. Kind of making lemonade out of lemons here. Not the best situation. I was actually right in the middle of doing a test. 100% to 0% test, so this test is going to take a while to finish. Actually, I might finish the test now that I think about it. I might just finish it after I get my truck back, whenever that may be. So I'll just keep you updated as we go along. But yeah, let's go over to the rental car place now and see what we get. So I'm here at Enterprise, and they ended up giving me a Dodge Ram. So sorry Ford, they didn't have any Fords. But we're going to check this out and compare, you know, daily driving in this Ram to what it cost me on my Lightning. So yeah, this is going to be interesting, and I'll do a little review while I have it too, and kind of compare and the differences with the trucks. So yeah, again, I'm just letting y'all know what, you know, everyday life experience is owning a Lightning. And if you wreck it, well, this is what you got to do. You got to get a rental car and end up, you know, there are EV rental cars, but there's few and far between, and they definitely didn't have any here. So yeah, we'll just keep going. We'll see how this goes.